Alright, this is 47 Turnstone Drive. We are in Safety Harbor. So we're going to want to take a look at this line. We've just jet cleaned it, pulled out a whole lot of debris that was inside the pipe. Got a teeny tiny little bit still stuck to the sides, but nothing like what it was before we started the jetting. Looks a million times better. So the line that goes to the bathroom on the left side of the house, we've already passed that guy. And what I'm most concerned with, that's where the kitchen line ties in right there, is the line that runs all the way to the other side. A couple of little chunks in there, but all the big stuff is gone. This looks a million times better. Okay, so this is the end of the line. That's going to shoot us right to the base of the toilet. Yep, there's our wax seal. So what I'm going to do is go inside and run some water through the pipe and then pull back and make sure we don't have any bellies or issues. Alright, so I just flushed the toilet 2 or 3 times. Ran the vanity and ran the shower. So my camera now is actually underwater. You can see the top of the water here. And the sewer, it's draining at the clean out, but it's draining slow. So I'm going to wait for as much of this to drain as possible before we camera to check for bellies. Alright, so the water has finished draining down at the clean out where I'm at. So there is absolutely backfall on this line, and that's all the way from that toilet, and it's holding a pretty good amount of water. So you can see we're starting to come out of the water around 55 feet. The camera head itself is very small. So the problem actually starts right at the base of that toilet. So you figure that's at 63 feet. So coming back this way, we can watch the counter on the bottom left. So we were at 63 feet. There we go. So about 56 feet. You can see it, how the water's not draining. So I would absolutely recommend putting a pressure assist toilet in that far back bathroom. The pipe is just kind of pitched down on that side. So now coming into here, now we're at 44 feet. We've got another small little belly. And this is why you see that debris in the line. So with that kitchen sink, you don't want to put any grease down it, because by putting the grease down it, when it hits that water that's just sitting there, it's going to coagulate. It's going to turn really, really, really super hard. And then it's going to cause the line to back up. And that area is right at another fitting. That was right where the kitchen line comes in. This all looks pretty good through here. So it just looks like so far it's just that back part of the house, because we're only 18 feet away from being out at the clean out. So the jetting definitely helped, because it looked like there was a much more of a belly in here before. But by getting all that cake and debris out, the left side here is where the left bathroom ties in, which I went all the way up to the toilet on that one too. So that one's going to be, you shouldn't have any issues at all with that one. Now we're back out at the clean out. So small belly where the kitchen ties in, no grease down the sink, and then absolutely recommend a pressure assist toilet in the bathroom on the other side of the house. This is John with iFind Leaks. Thanks for watching.